Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to resolve most commonly occurring Wi-Fi issues on your Samsung The Frame TV. So first of all, I would start with rebooting both your TV and your router if you have access to it. So just turn off your TV by holding down the power button for a couple of seconds until the screen of your device, of your TV goes off. Then just turn off your Wi-Fi router and then turn it on again after a couple of seconds, maybe half a minute, and wait for both devices to reconnect. But if this isn't happening, then turn on your TV again, wait until it powers on, once it's turned on, press the home button to go to the home screen, then press left button to open the sidebar, go to settings. In settings, navigate to the right to the Wi-Fi menu, press the down button on your remote control, select network status and wait for your device to check the network status. And if you have some issue with your network, you can try to retry connecting to this network by clicking the respective option. You can disconnect from this network by clicking disconnect and confirm by clicking yes. Then click close, open network, connect. Then select this network once again, provide the password to it manually. Once again, once you provided the password, click go and wait for your device to reconnect to the network and see if this works for you. And in case it didn't succeed, make sure that other devices can connect to your Wi-Fi network. If they cannot, then it's most probably the issue on the internet provider side, or maybe the issue with your router. In such case, you're gonna have to call your internet provider and ask them about this issue, explain your situation and ask them what to do. But if other devices can connect to your Wi-Fi network, then you should make sure that your router isn't blocking the TV, as some routers have MAC filtering for specific devices. So I cannot explain you how to do that in this video, but you can check some other tutorial that explains how to change your MAC filtering on your router so it starts accepting TVs. If this isn't the problem, you can try to plug in the Ethernet cable to your TV. Just let me show you how to do that real quick. Give me a moment. So unfortunately, there is no Ethernet port on my Samsung One Connect box. However, there are some other One Connect boxes that have Ethernet cable inputs port. So if your does have an Ethernet port, then you can try to plug in your Ethernet cable to your Samsung One Connect box. And if you cannot do this, then you should definitely contact your internet provider and explain this issue to them. And so that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you solve your problem, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.